Welcome one and all to the fascinating world of faceless YouTube channels, a place where identities are concealed, yet creativity runs wild. Today, we delve into the art of creating a faceless YouTube channel, the ins and outs, the tips and the tricks. Imagine, if you will, the deep, vast ocean. It's mysterious, captivating and full of life, yet we rarely see the creatures that reside in its depths. These creatures thrive in anonymity, much like faceless YouTubers. They don't rely on their outward appearance to survive, but rather their unique abilities and adaptation strategies. Similarly, as a faceless YouTuber, you won't be relying on your physical appearance or personality to attract your audience. Instead, it's your unique content, your skills, your voice that will draw them in and keep them coming back for more. The depths of the ocean mirror the depths of your creativity. It's limitless, expansive, and waiting to be discovered. So, let's dive in, shall we? Tip number 1. Hone your craft. Whatever your channel is about, be it music, comedy, education, or cooking, make sure you are a master in your field. Your content should be compelling and high quality. Remember, you won't be relying on your personality or physical appearance to draw in viewers. It's your content that will do the talking, so make it worth their while. Moving on to tip number 2, create a compelling persona. Just because you're faceless doesn't mean you're without identity. Create a unique persona that your audience can connect with. This could be an animated character, a mascot, or even a logo. Look at the channel How to Basic. Their identity revolves around a pair of hands causing chaos in a kitchen. It's memorable, it's intriguing, and it's undeniably successful. And now tip number 3, engage with your audience. Interaction is key, even if you're not showing your face. Respond to comments, create polls, ask for feedback. Make your viewers feel seen and appreciated. It's a surefire way to build a loyal following. Continuing our journey, imagine we're deep-sea explorers, diving into the vast, uncharted waters of the ocean. As we descend further, the marine life around us evolves, becoming more unique, more fascinating. Creatures that thrive in the darkness, unseen yet captivating. It's a lot like being a faceless YouTuber. The deeper you dive into your craft, the more unique and fascinating your content becomes. Just like these marine creatures, your content can thrive in the darkness, unseen yet captivating. It's about exploring your niche, pushing boundaries, and embracing the unknown. So let's continue our journey, shall we? Dive deeper into your craft, explore the unknown, and let your content thrive in the darkness. So, let's recap. To create a successful faceless YouTube channel, you need to focus on 3 main elements. First, hone your craft and create high-quality content. Second, develop a unique and compelling persona that your audience can connect with. And third, engage with your audience. Make them feel seen and appreciated. Each of these tips has its best use cases. If you're a talented musician but camera shy, honing your craft and sharing your music without showing your face can be a great approach. Or perhaps you're a brilliant storyteller. Creating an animated persona to narrate your tales can make for a compelling channel. And no matter what your content is, engaging with your audience is always a winning move. And there you have it, the art of creating a faceless YouTube channel unraveled. Remember these 3 tips, apply them diligently, and let your creativity shine through. Whether you're a newcomer or a seasoned YouTuber looking for a change, these tips will guide you on your journey. So go forth, create, inspire, and remember, in the faceless world of YouTube, it's your talent that takes center stage. Until next time, this is your guide to the faceless YouTube realm, signing off. Theme Fusion.